can you believe this new quilt kit we just got in?
I love it. I love it.
I love it too. It's by Shannon Fabrics, and it's called Wee Ones, and it's the perfect kit for a baby. And so I just feel like it's so soft.
Absolutely, absolutely it is. And the textures alone, as the child ages, as the baby grows, they're going to be intrigued by the different textures they can touch.
And you know what's great about this kit? Everything you need to make the front and the back is included in this kit. So this is the backing and some of the strips on the front, and then they have the strips cut up here that you put in it, and it includes the binding also.
Well, Margot, I have a question for you. Is this washable? Because, you know, babies are sometimes messy.
It is definitely washable.
Okay.
And it holds up so well.
Okay, that's awesome.
This is a fun kit. Everything you need is already cut. Comes with the backing, the binding, everything you need to make this cute gift for someone or that newborn that you're getting ready to have.
And it's very easy to stitch.
It is.
And it hides the stitches real well because I'm searching the binding and can't find a stitch.
Yep.
But I know
Okay, guys, we hope that you enjoyed this and check out our kits from Shannon Fabrics.